In this video, we will guide you through the unboxing and setup of RLC 520A 5MP PoE IP camera with smart person and vehicle detection, which you can use to monitor your home and enjoy peace of mind. Open the box and you'll find your RLC 520A camera and other parts provided to help with the installation. RLC 520A is a versatile PoE security camera integrated with powerful person and vehicle detection function, notifying you of instant and accurate alerts and reducing unwanted alarms. No subscription fees at all. RLC 520A commands a sharp lens and a powerful image sensor capable of capturing Super HD images and videos at 5MP with crystal details. 18 pieces powerful infrared LEDs bring the camera with up to 100 feet night vision to see far and clear when daylight is out. Built-in mic helps this camera pick up voices when recording person, vehicle, or motion videos, or offering the live feed. Micro SD card socket for up to 256 gigabytes of local storage. Other features include IP66 certified weatherproof, meaning 365 days protection, come rain or shine, stunning time-lapse to admire more beauty in less time, and integration with Google Assistant to offer you easy and hands-free control of the camera. The network cable, the power port, and the reset button. RLC 520A utilizes PoE technology to ensure reliable transmission and easy installation, so you can only take a few steps to power on the camera and set it up. Connect the camera to a PoE switch via an Ethernet cable. Connect the PoE switch to your router and power on the PoE switch. Open the Reolink app to set up the RLC 520A. Tap the uninitialized device card and follow the in-app instructions to finish the initial setup. Now you'll see the live view on the phone and monitor your home with person and vehicle detection, smart playback, and other powerful functions in just a few taps. This turret camera is better mounted upside down outdoors or on your home ceiling due to its shape. Put the mounting template on the ceiling. Twist to detach the base plate. Drill holes and screw the base plate to the ceiling at the indicated locations. Attach the camera to the base plate and then lock it in position. To protect the camera from water intrusion, you may use the provided waterproof lid. To enjoy a better image or video quality, please avoid facing the camera directly to sunlight or glass windows, and avoid mounting the camera in places where are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using RLC 520A PoE camera with smart person and vehicle detection, visit support.reolink.com.